I am Noddy. Let's nod our head 9 times with Noddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What does Noddy see? Noddy sees a nightingale in the nest, and the nightingale is crying. What happened, Nightingale? All my eggs are lost. But how will you find them? I have written N on them, and my babies say, Okay, let's find your eggs. Now, is this your egg? Yes, letter N is written, and my baby says, this is my egg. Let's put this in the nest. Is this your egg? Letter T is written, and how does it say? So this is not my egg. Is this your egg? Yes, letter N is written, and yes, this is my egg. Yes, Noddy. Thank you, Noddy. I have got all my.
Hello, children. Today we are going to learn letter N. The N sounds The N sounds The N sounds Every letter makes a sound. The N sounds Nest. Nest. No, nurse. Nurse. Nose. Touch your nose, everybody. Nose. Neck. Rub your neck. Neck. Rub your neck. Neck. Touch your nail. 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 The N sounds The N sounds Every letter makes a sound. The N sounds N sounds nose. Neck. Nail. 9. Show your 9 fingers. 9. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Aisha Kotak. Today I am going to teach you letter N. N. Which sound does letter N makes? Nest. Can you see the nest? Nest. And for napkin. Napkin. And for newspaper. Newspaper. And for notebook. Notebook. And for nail cutter. Nail cutter. And for number 9. 9. And for numbers. Numbers. And for nail paints. Nail paints. And for necklace. Necklace. Thank you.
Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise.
Hello, children. My name is N, and I make the sound N. I'm searching for words beginning with N. Will you join with me? Nest. Nose. Night. Nurse.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about N sound. N for night. N for nest. N for net. N for nurse. N for 9. You hear the N sound at the beginning, but in the word scent, mint, and in the hand, you hear the N sound in the middle. Now what's the action of N sound? Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I will tell you a story. Okay? One day a boy named Nicola went on a tour with his grandfather. When he was in a park, then he listened a sound of mm. What he saw in the sky, that an aeroplane was going. See, what is this? Aeroplane. An aeroplane was going through the sky, making a sound. Then he put his hand like this, and he became an aeroplane. See, Now, what sound he make? He make a sound. For aeroplane, like aeroplane make a sound na. So this is nurse. Have you seen nurse? Where we have seen nurse? In the hospital. Yes. Nurse. Okay. Now, can you tell me the any one organ in my face to start with the sound? Okay, tell me, what is this? Nose. Yes, nose. Okay, and there are so many things around us. We start with sound.